Hi everybody, take my salam, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my nice video. I am now at Maimishan railway station. Maimishan railway station, one of the best and oldest railway station. You can see around me, uh, beautiful. And I have just come here and I am going towards a friend. I will meet with my friend. He called me yesterday to meet him. He works in an office nearby, and also many people walking on the street. They are going their destination, and also I'm walking alone and talking myself, and I'm thinking how can I improve my English language. And if you visit Maimishan railway station, don't miss exploring beautiful this railway station. And many people come here to travel with friends. It's so really nice.